Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.5 from the Triangle and its Properties, 7th class ncert. Question number 1. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeters and PR is equal to 24 centimeters, find QR. Now let's take a PQR triangle, that is a right angle at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeters and PR is equal to 24 centimeters, here I am just assuming as a rough sketch for the better understanding purpose only. Let's take PQ is equal to 10 centimeters. I am taking it as 5 centimeters for example only, and at a point of P we have a right angle triangle. So measure at point P 90 degrees and make another line to 90 degrees, and PR with having 24, I am taking it as just simply as 6 centimeters. This is P, this is Q, let it be 10 centimeters assumption, and here 24 centimeters assumption. Here is the R point. Now connect these 2 points. It is called hypotenuse, that is opposite to the 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse and this is leg 1, this is leg 2. Why? Because of this is a right angle triangle, PQ given and PR given, but we have to find the QR. QR is equal to, we have to find, this is PR, this is PQ, right? Now we have to find the QR. We know that Pythagoras property of a right angle triangle. By using that property, we are going to solve this problem. So let's start here. Given PQR is a right angle triangle, right angle at point P, and also given PQ is equal to 10 centimeters, PR is equal to 24 centimeters. Now QR is equal to how much? We know that the property, that is Pythagoras property, it means PR square plus PQ square is equal to the QR square. It is the meaning of, we know that Pythagoras property, that is hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. So by using this formula we can find the QR, because of we know PQ and PR also. PR square, it means 10 centimeters square plus PQ square, it is PR square is equal to 24 and it is 24 centimeter whole square is equal to the QR square. Now we have to find the QR square. QR square is equal to the 10 square, 10 into 10 plus 24 into 24. QR square is equal to the 100 plus 24 into 24. We get 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 6, here 17, 576, 576. Now QR square is equal to the 100 plus 576. Here 676. In order to get QR only, we have to find the QR. QR is equal to the root over 676. 676 is compulsory multiplied by one number, that is square itself. So it may be 26 into 26. 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. So finally QR is equal to the 26 is the answer. Now here right angle triangle PQR is having with PQ is equal to 10 centimeters, PR is equal to 24 centimeters and QR is equal to the 26 centimeters. QR is equal to 26 centimeters. So this is about the how to find a one hypotenuse based on two legs given. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.